So has it ever happened to you when you go out initially after a long time and you cannot like open up completely and you want to talk to a lot of people or a lot of girls and they just go by from right, left, center and you just freeze at times. You had to open but you couldn't. So let me talk about this particular instant. Why does it happen? First of all, you go in your brain and you think, oh, is it the right time to open or is it not the right time to open? You're trying to figure out the perfect opener because you want to avoid rejection. In this particular scenario, all you have to do is just open, speak like a word or two. Like you can just say, why are you wearing red color? You can just say it like, why are you wearing red color? I hate red color. Or you can just say balloons, right? I like balloons. I was a kid when I saw the balloon. Are you into balloons? You can open with anything. It doesn't matter what you open with. It matters how you open it. But let me give you the exact game structure. Initially, when you open, the first phase of the night, it should be more of a socializing. Just opening for like 10 seconds, talking to a set, moving on, 10 seconds, talking to another set. This way, when you have a lot of interaction in the same venue, you build a social proof. And further on, when you build a social proof, what you can do is also introduce these sets to other sets. You can merge them. Now, when you merge the sets, it's very much likely that you start opening up much more because your body is getting much more proof. You're becoming much more confident about the actions that you're taking. So you need to build on small wins. Why focusing on small wins matters? Because you cannot pedestalize any sort of results. You cannot pedestalize yourself. The moment you pedestalize yourself, you know how far off you are from the actual ground and you actually fall off and you hurt yourself. So when you go out at night game, especially, you need to just have a small agenda of opening. And when you open, if it's a 10 that you open, you need to just pat yourself at the back, look at it as the funniest interaction, move on and keep opening and keep winning. You add up small wins. The moment you go in the bitter state, I call it the bitter state, where you think, oh, I could have done this better. Oh, she was like my type of 10 and I didn't do it right. No, wish I could do it better. The moment you have that thought, you go in a negative loop where you start, not giving your fullest. You start actually overanalyzing your interaction, which you shouldn't. The whole night should be just one big set. One big set. When you go out, you talk to that set, you engage, re-engage, you disengage, you merge the set. It should be one big set and you should see it as just one big interaction of the venue. You should not see it as like a different sets. There are like 2 set, 3 set, 10 set. What you should see is like the whole venue and how the venue perceived you at the end of the night. During the night, you just have to go and enjoy. And one more point is I want to especially talk about is the fun state. Whenever you go at a nightclub or a bar, you need to keep in mind you are there unwinding yourself and stifling yourself. So that's why you need to have fun. You need to do like stupid things like, pop a balloon. Pop a balloon or two. So she just, I just like, just help me like unwind even for like 5%. You need to do like some stupid little pranks or jokes here and there. Just like be playful. But instead, what you do, if you do this, no, you see a girl and like you have to like get her, like you open. And it happens with me at times when I was having fun and all these average, decent looking girls, they are like hooked, they're like chasing me, talking to me. They're like pretty much engaged and hooked. And then I see like a better set. I'm like boom. And here I trying to like go in all in because there's just 1 or 2 good looking sets in the venue and you try to like pedestalize it just because there is scarcity of like good looking girls. And then what you see is like you're trying to get something from here. Whereas in the average sets, you're just having fun. So when you're having fun, you're just like, okay, here I'm talking to you, giving. Oh, here, I want to take something. That doesn't work. When you are giving, you give the whole venue at the fullest. You cannot like jab, right hook. There's a book by Gary Vee, but it works in businesses and all. But over here, you just have to like give, draw them in. Give, draw them in. Give, no, draw them in. That's how you do it. So another point is like you need to open each and every person, guy, girl, whoever it is. The more balloons you have, let's say the more opens that you do in a single night, the less you care about the interaction. I don't mind like bursting a balloon or two if over here. Oh, two sets rejected me. Dogs are barking. I don't care. I have so many balloons I found. So you need to treat your every set as like one of the balloons. No, you try to get this, pop it. Oh, next balloon. I have so many balloons. I can take the left one or two balloons from and I'll be still happy. So I think that's it for now. This is Fran signing off from Magnetic Dating Skill. Hope to sell this. See you in the next video.